Nothing has been hyping up its next phone with executive interviews and social media drop feeding recently. But merely weeks before the anticipated July launch and eventual brand arrival in the US market, the leaking world has spoiled the design surprise. The Nothing Phone 2 is approaching its launch very quickly, and now some leaked renders give us a better idea of how the phone has changed from its predecessor. The new renders of Nothing Phone 2 were published by ONLeaks and smartprix, with the renders being based on live pictures of a testing stage unit. To sum up my first impression after seeing these renders, I'd say it's underwhelming, especially for a brand that takes a lot of pride in its design chops. At a glance, the Nothing Phone 2 has a design that's roughly identical to that of the Nothing Phone 1. A transparent back with pieces that are designed to emulate the feel of the phone's internals, without actually exposing those components, and all with some neat lighting throughout. The overall layout of the glyph lighting is also fairly similar, with roughly the same locations and shapes for each LED strip. The only notable differences for the lighting are found around the camera with a split LED design and around the wireless charging section, which is also now cut into pieces. The bigger change to Nothing Phone 2 that we can see in these renders is seen around the sides and back, with rounder sides to the metal frame and curved edges along the display, which was previously completely flat, and the back glass. There's also a new LED flash for the dual camera setup and some other minor design tweaks. The flagship Qualcomm chip also brings advanced camera capabilities to the table, while the battery capacity has also been bumped up from 4,500 mAh to 4,700 mAh with support for fast charging in TOW. The Nothing Phone 2 is set to break cover in July and will be the first Nothing smartphone to hit the shelves in the US. What do you think about Nothing Phone 2 first look? Let me know in the comment section. I'll love to know your thoughts in the comment section. That concludes today's video. I hope you found the information useful. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing to the channel. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.